The concept of market equilibrium. Market equilibrium is the state where the quantity supply and the quantity demand of a good or service are equal, leading to a stable market price. This balance between supply and the demand is crucial for efficiently allocating resources and assuring a well-functioning economy. Demand and supply curve. Demand curve represents the relationship between the price of a good and the quantity demand, showing how the consumer responds to change in the price. Supply curve. The supply curve represents the relationship between the price of a good and the quantity supply, showing how the prices respond to change in price. Equilibrium, the point where the demand and supply curve intersect, represent the market equilibrium, where the quantity supply equals the quantity demand. Equilibrium price and a quantity. The first, equilibrium price. The equilibrium price is the price at which the quantity supply and the quantity demand are equal, resulting in stable market. The second, equilibrium quantity. The equilibrium quantity is the quantity that is bought and sold at the equilibrium price, where there is no storage or supply in the market. The three, market clearing. At the equilibrium price and the quantity, the market is clear, meaning a buyer who are willing to buy the equilibrium price can find seller, and all sellers who are willing to sell at the equilibrium price can find buyer. Factor affecting demand and supply. The first, consumer preference. Change in customer taste, incomes, and expectation can shift the demand curve. The second, production cost. Fluctuation in input price, technology, or the number of sellers and shift the supply curve. The three, government policy. Taxes, subsidy, and regulation can also influence the demand and supply of goods and services. The four, market dynamic. The interaction between demand and supply factor determines the equilibrium price and the quantity in the market. Shift in demand-supply curve. The first, demand shift, a change in a non-price factor, such as income or consumer preference, can cause a shift in the demand curve, leading to new equilibrium price and the quantity. The second, supply shift, a change in a non-price factor, such as production cost or technology, can cause a shift in the supply curve, leading to a new equilibrium price and the quantity. The three, new equilibrium. The new equilibrium price and the quantity are determined by the intersection of the shift demand and supply curve. Disequilibrium and market adjustment. The first, surplus. When the quantity supply exceeds the quantity demand, a surplus occurs, leading to downward pressure and price and the market adjustment towards equilibrium. The second, storage. When the quantity demand exceeds the quantity supply, a storage occurs, leading to up pressure on the price and a market adjustment towards equilibrium. The three, market adjustment. In a free market, the price will adjust to eliminate any surplus or storage, building the market towards the equilibrium price and the quantity. Government intervention in market. The first, price floor. A price floor set above the equilibrium price can create a surplus, leading to need for government intervention to manage the excess supply. The second, price ceiling. A price ceiling set below the equilibrium price can create a storage, leading to the need for government intervention to allocate the limited supply. The three, taxes subside. Government can also use tax and subsidy to influence the market equilibrium, effective the price and quantity change. Real-world application of market equilibrium. The first, housing market. The balance between housing supply and demand determines the equilibrium rent and home price in a local market. The second, labor market. The equilibrium wage rate is determined by the supply of labor and the demand for labor in a particular industry or region. The three, commodity market. The global supply and the demand for commodities like oil, gold, or wheat affect the equilibrium price in those market. Sekian dari saya akhiri. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.